Hi, I'm dear friends, and this is Photoshop. And let's see today how to do adjustment layer to adjust only this object, this layer that you need to be adjusted, and not to change all the other layers. Okay, for example, we have such a leaf, copied it, let's paste it, pre-transform, okay, and we have it here. But I want to change its color because there are too many yellow leaves. So I'm going to layers, new adjustment layer, okay, and starting to change. Now you can see that everything is changed, not only my leaf. So Ctrl Z. What we can do, we have to move our layer with our leaf to the bottom, to be under another layers, here, like this. Now let's move it to be visible, and now we can change it. Okay, layer, adjustment layer, let's change it this way. Let's do it, not red one, but maybe, for example, something like this. Now you have to merge those two layers, the layer with your leaf and adjustment layer, Ctrl E, and now you can move it somewhere on the top, and now it's visible. Let's put it here, and as you can see, nothing changed. All other layers are good. Something like this. Let's transform it a little bit to be more natural. I think it's good. Okay, thank you. Bye.